So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem whereby you have network connection turned on, your data connection is turned on right there, but there's no internet up there, like there's no signal like 4G or 3G showing that there's internet connection. So basically that's what I'm going to show you in this video, how to solve. So let's get started. For phone tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. All you have to do is going to go to your phone settings right there. Go to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings right now. Now you're going to go to SIM cards and mobile networks. Okay, select SIM cards and mobile network, and then be sure to select where your data connection is. It's in SIM 1, so that is like a mobile for this scenario. After tapping right there, then you're going to tap on access point names. Access point names. Now this is why you have to be very, very keen. You can see right now there's no APN right now. There are no access point name settings available for the user. So basically, first reset and see there's nothing actually. So all you have to do, this varies literally for every service provider. So basically, you're going to tap new APN, and then you're going to add new settings right there. Then name APN. So you're going to need to approach a service provider or go to get anyone with the same phone line and then with the same settings and try to copy the same settings. Tap the name and then fill in the name of the service provider. Basically, the settings that are going to be given to you is what you put. So it might vary for a service provider. For this scenario, it was like a mobile UG, so yours can also be different. So then APN, put that data and all that. So basically, where you're copying from matters, and basically your service provider is supposed to, maybe you go to the service provider, they give you the settings, you put them there, and then fix them inside this access point name. I adjust, edit accordingly, and then basically do that. Just basically do that, manipulate all that. So basically, all you have to do is get the very best settings and then fit them inside here. You can go to a network service provider, they give you the settings, fit them inside here, or just approach anyone, maybe probably using the same SIM card for data, and then fit them inside there, fit them in this access point, as you can see right there. And then by doing that and putting everything there, and then tapping on more, and then you save. Okay, so that is right there. After saving, immediately you notice that up there the 4G signal comes up. Basically, we have our internet is back on with our data connection is on. So basically, that is how you solve this problem of mobile data being on but there's no internet. So basically, now you can see right there the messages are trying to pop up. Yeah, basically that means data is on. So right now you can see data connection is on and internet is showing up there in terms of the 4G. So basically that's how you solve the problem. Subscribe for more tech tips, tricks. See you next time.